Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to add the OEX Mainnet to Trust Wallet in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. First open your browser and go to coingecko.com like this. coingecko.com and then tap onto the first link, or here it is redirected me to the official link. Once you are there, search for OpenX network token or OEX. Here you can see this OpenX network token, tap onto it. Scroll through the details and locate the contract address which runs on the core blockchain. Locate the address, you will need it later. Locate its address. Here you can see this. Copy it. Now minimize your browser and open Trust Wallet. Make sure it is properly set up on your use the search option in Trust Wallet to look for OEX. If you find it, just enable it. If you don't see it, don't worry, we will add it manually. Now tap on the network icon in the top right corner here, network icon. Then you have to tap onto the manage crypto. Search again for OEX to see if it's just turned off. If you still cannot find it, tap the plus icon to add a custom token. Now you will see the import crypto screen. Change the network by tapping on Ethereum. Once selected, paste the contract address you copied from the coingecko.com. This one, the address, you just have to copy and then paste it here. Now once everything is filled up in, tap import, and that's it. If you have successfully added the OEX Mainnet to Trust Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.